Xiaomi manufactures vacuums, scooters, and even hair dryers. But why not Apple? Let's find out.
Are you getting it? These are not three separate devices. This is one device. And we are calling it iPhone.
In the annals of technological history, few companies have left as indelible a mark as Apple. From its humble beginnings in a garage to its position as a global powerhouse, Apple's story is one of innovation, disruption, and iconic products. Central to this narrative is the enigmatic figure of Steve Jobs, whose vision and leadership reshaped industries and redefined what it meant to be a technology company. Consumer electronics is a fiercely competitive landscape. We chose Samsung and Xiaomi as some of the most prominent players for our comparison to Apple. Each company brings its own unique approach to manufacturing and innovation, catering to diverse consumer preferences and market segments. Let's start with Samsung. Samsung Electronics is renowned for its diverse portfolio of products spanning smartphones, televisions, home appliances, and semiconductors. As one of the world's largest producers of smartphones, Samsung offers a wide range of devices catering to various price points and feature sets. The flagship Galaxy series competes head-to-head with Apple's iPhone lineup, boasting cutting-edge technology and innovative features such as high-resolution displays, powerful cameras, and sleek designs. Beyond smartphones, Samsung is a leader in the television market, known for its OLED displays that deliver vibrant colors and stunning picture quality. Additionally, the company manufactures a comprehensive range of home appliances, including refrigerators, washing machines, and air conditioners, incorporating smart technologies for enhanced convenience and energy efficiency. And on the other hand, we have Xiaomi Corporation, which has gained prominence in recent years for its value-driven approach to product development and marketing. Xiaomi offers a compelling alternative to established brands with its Mi and Redmi series devices. These smartphones typically feature high-quality components and innovative features at competitive price points, appealing to budget-conscious consumers without compromising on performance or design. In addition to smartphones, Xiaomi has diversified its product portfolio to include a wide range of consumer electronics and lifestyle products. This includes smart home devices, wearables, audio accessories, and even electric vehicles, reflecting the company's ambition to become a leading player in the global technology ecosystem. And at last, we have Apple, an American multinational corporation synonymous with design excellence and premium products. The iPhone remains a status symbol, coveted by consumers worldwide. In addition to smartphones, Apple manufactures a range of complementary products, including the iPad tablet, MacBook laptops, Apple Watch smartwatches, and a suite of accessories such as AirPods and the HomePod speaker. Central to Apple's ethos is its commitment to design simplicity, product refinement, and ecosystem integration, fostering brand loyalty among its dedicated user base. While Samsung, Xiaomi, and Apple all compete in the global smartphone market, each company adopts a distinct strategy and brand identity. Although there are some similarities between these three companies' product lineups, when it comes to market cap, the differences are much more obvious. Let's start with Xiaomi Corporation, the up-and-coming challenger from China. While not as massive as its counterparts, Xiaomi boasts a respectable market capitalization of $50 billion, fueled by its value-driven approach and a rapidly expanding product portfolio. Next, we have Samsung Electronics. With a market capitalization of $365 billion, Samsung commands a significant share of the consumer electronics market. And finally, Apple, with a jaw-dropping market capitalization of $2.6 trillion, reigns supreme as one of the most valuable companies in the world. But let's also zoom in on the smartphone segment, the battleground where these giants clash for dominance. Android, the operating system developed by Google, holds a commanding lead, with a staggering 70% market share. In contrast, Apple's iOS, powering its iconic iPhone lineup, captures a significant but smaller share of the market, standing at 28%. Despite its premium appeal and loyal fanbase, iOS faces fierce competition from the multitude of Android-powered devices flooding the market. All right, let's discuss Apple's product lineup. They've had a habit of announcing products only to scrap them later on. Remember the hype around the Apple Car? Yeah, that got cancelled. On the other hand, Xiaomi just introduced their SU7 electric vehicle, so they're still in the game. Apple used to release new products frequently, but lately, it's been relatively quiet. However, when they do release something new, they tend to capture a significant portion of the market. Take their upcoming VR headset, the Vision Pro, for example. It's expected to make a big impact. Additionally, Apple's recent acquisition of Darwin AI indicates their interest in the expanding field of AI tools. As for Apple's future ventures, speculation is rampant. Some suggest they might venture into healthcare technology, given the health features of the Apple Watch. Despite the setback with the Apple Car project, they could potentially re-enter the automotive sector. What do you think? Tell us, what other industries do you think Apple would add to their ecosystem? And what industries would be the least expected for them to enter? And as always, can they top that?